Hey guys, just gonna look at a couple of trades I took. Cavill looked good in pre, right around here. This break right here, three-step devil fail at this line right here. This is the line that it ran up and kept failing all morning. So that was a line you'd definitely be looking at. Maybe that one's just a little, I don't know, egregious, really high. And then it made a perfect platform right before the open. Basically, this ascending wedge down on a platform goes up, comes down, up, comes down, and then up, and then down, and now it's not going because it's a low flip. So got in at 233, got out at target 2, got back in here one more time, and then one more time here. I did it in steps. I don't like holding. It's just like if it comes all the way back down, I don't want to break even. So that's part of my trade plan. So you definitely got an easy target 1 right there, target 2 right back to these two, and it would have been a long time to get up there because that's all it really did. And if you had, if you pay for systems that tells you from one level to another, that's a really good one. I think another program had 334 as the target. I think that's a little aggressive, but you never know. So look, I'm always setting alerts at the top. Just in case I stop trading and it pops it, I might come back and look at it. Otherwise, it's downtrending as you see on the chart and an indicator. Another one, assist. I don't know why anybody looked at this. I think this was given out, and I think heard someone else was shorting it and someone else was telling you to long it. So that was a little bad, we'll just say that. And and so what it's doing is coming down, but if you look, trick if you want, look at MACD on the 5 if you're looking for shorting. I think that's probably one of the simplest, best ones I've seen for a long time. Otherwise, this is a lot of chop. But this is definitely a bear flag angle right here. It's just trying to go, it's grinding, just mean it's not aggressive. Did bounce off of this right here, but again, I don't know, I just don't like penny stocks, like penny. So got some of Moo, I will go over that and then I'll stick on Cavill. So right here, Moo has been making moves since yesterday, really good ones. If you see all these. Lots of stair stepping up, sliding down, stepping up, sliding down, stair stepping up. There's a lot of stairs in this sucker to make some money. I know it's a little higher price, but damn, if you can make 50 cents or $1 per share on a move, take it. I did take this move right before the open. It went exactly. I actually thought it was going to break out for a bigger run at 113.90 because if you look at the way back here, you'll see that that's the little line of confluence, and it really didn't. It broke down, no big deal, and it broke down before the open, so all good. And then it bounced off of support, and I have that as support because that was yesterday where it left the party. So these are why people know certain names, numbers. If you're smart, you could have put in a order here and it would come and grabbed you right here. Some people do it. I just don't do it. I wait for the stock to tweezer top bottom and prove itself over that share right there. And I'll take it to target 1 all day on that move. All right, so let me go back to Cavill real quick at the open. So basically it's based on this ascending wedge. The reason I call it ascending wedge, you're probably going, why am I ignoring this? These are all just touches of VWAP. I did take this trade in pre. But what it is, you're showing your buyers are willing to pay more on the bottom side. That's the trick. And then open market trading, crazy, under $1 million float. You can't get a better recipe for a target 2 trade, which tested the pre-market high here. And yes, I know this was high, but this was super pre-market. I mean, this is like very little people are in the market at that time. So it ran up a lot, but I don't know. Just, it's very low volume here compared to high volume. So I'd just start looking at where it's actually shelving. Here's another one. This is a different version of the same thing, just in a short amount of time. Ascending wedge. Here's a bull flag. It's a little slower to develop. Usually a bull flag is 2 candles, but this is a 1-minute chart, so you're going to see it a little fast. And I did take this trade right here. Same thing. If you see this is called a pin bar, you could have taken this trade right here and up. And then this one is the tweezer top. I got in right over that candle there for a target 1 easy trade. And if it comes back up again, set your alerts. Otherwise, currently, you can sit there and just do this, draw this trend line down here, and wait for it to prove itself. More than likely, it's going to prove itself somewhere around here and go back up. So I'd still leave these fibs on if you notice, and these fibs are for the whole day. And then if you want one more reset of fibs, let me see if I can redraw them a little bit somewhere. I like to redraw them after they hit a certain target. Yeah, so right there, there's another target one, and all this garbage is over a target one. And that's the thing, is some people see this wicks as that's the whole party. I would still say that's the